friends, welcome back to Mmix Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Rava Halwa or Sooji Halwa or Semolina Halwa. A very easy and delicious recipe that always turns out perfect. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've soaked 1 cup of semolina in 2 cups of water for about 5 hours. Mix and mash it well so that the semolina or rava will release milk. Continue mixing at least for 5 minutes. Now it's nicely done, so to another bowl place a muslin cloth and pour in the content. Squeeze well and make sure all the water is drained off. Again to the semolina, pour in another cup of water and mix it well. Now repeat the same. Now we have 3 cups of semolina milk ready, so let's start making the halwa. To a non-stick pan, add 1 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Keep mixing until you get a single string consistency. When you achieve this consistency, pour in the semolina milk. Keep mixing continuously in medium flame. It will start to thicken up. Meanwhile, in another small seasoning pan, add 1/4 cup of sugar and caramelize it. Keep mixing in high flame and the sugar will melt and caramelize. Once done, add it directly to the halwa pan. Mix it well. The caramelized sugar gives a nice flavor and color. Now add a pinch of salt and give it a nice mix. Now it has started to thicken up, so start adding a teaspoon of ghee at a time and mix it well. When the ghee is completely absorbed, add another teaspoon of ghee and mix well. Likewise, add 1 cup of ghee. When you're almost done with the ghee, your halwa should be ready. It is in dripping consistency now. The halwa is no more sticking to the pan. It has all come together, so finally add a teaspoon of ghee and mix it well. Then off the flame, you can serve it nice and hot. Very easy and delicious recipe, so do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Mmix Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Mmix Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.